Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to buy altcoins on Poloniex. Here's a detailed step-by-step guide on how to buy altcoins on Poloniex. First thing, I'd like you to know that altcoins are otherwise known as alternative coins. So alternative coins that are alternatives to Bitcoin. So any coin that is not a Bitcoin is an altcoin. So first things first, launch the Poloniex app on your mobile device, which of course I've done right here, and log in to your account if prompted. Okay, so from the home screen, go ahead and tap on the wallet button or the wallet icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. And that takes you into this window where you have deposit/buy button. Select deposit/buy, and this opens up a drop down menu that says deposit P2P and buy crypto. Select buy crypto, and that's going to walk you right into the next window where we can now buy alternative coins, alternatives to Bitcoin or coins that are not Bitcoin. Now take it to buy crypto. Now we have buy crypto and you have sell crypto. Take it to the buy crypto tab. And under there, go ahead and choose the fiat currency that you have money in. Select the drop down menu and select any of the fiat currencies and enter the amounts that you want to pay. After entering the amount you want to pay, head over here to receive, and in here you're going to have to choose your alternative coins. Now, like I said, alternative coins can be coins that are not BTC, so it could either be ETH, LTC, TRX, USDC, USDT, or XRP. Now choose any of those. Let's say I want to buy TRX as my alternative coin. Don't forget to add the amounts that you want to pay. Let's say 45.1500. And once you do that, then go ahead and click on this checkbox that says I have read and agreed to the terms of use. You're going to see how much of TRX you're going to get, which is your alternative coin. Don't forget to select your payments method, either Mercurial or Simplex. Then click on the submit button, and that's it. Poloniex will process your request. So go ahead and check your Poloniex account to see if your altcoin balance has been topped up. You definitely see a notification in your Poloniex homepage. And that's pretty much it. So go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. Hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.